I got a Ryobi electric pressure washer at the flea market today. 1600 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute. This is it's 100 at Lowe's. It's 120 at Amazon. It was at the flea market. I got it for 50 bucks. It was only used once. It had some pretty good spray to it. I was able to clean all the green stuff off the fence to make the fence look like brand new again. I have another Ryobi, it's on wheels, and it's worked for years. I've tried to burn it up, running it hard and running it. It would never burn up. You know, the Harbor Freights, I burned up 3 different Harbor Freight electric pressure washers. The Harbor Freights are junk. The Ryobi's been real good. The other one I have now, it's probably 3 years I had it. And I run it hard. I'll run it for